That's so cute.
That's how they're trained to walk.
That's how they walk it to go inside?
No,
that's how they compete.
Oh, that's how they compete?
Like, you see how he's moving straight? Some of them, like the real good ones. Like his father, he stops and he's just there moving his feet. Like he's dancing in one place. Yeah. You ever seen like those mariachis that come on horses and they start dancing side to side? Those are most of the time Pasofinos.
He's so pretty. That's because he's getting comfortable?
What?
Yeah.
The like that. Yeah.
He's so pretty.
When you bathe them and they feel relaxed, they do that.
Yeah.
Because the thing is that you see that harness is under his chest.